Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Chasing the Moon RV. I'm Zia. This is my first video of 2023. I haven't posted since the beginning of December. I have been a solo senior female traveling in an old 1994 camper van. I did a cross-Canada trip all the way from BC to Newfoundland and down into the States and back again last year. It was a 4.5-month road trip. I will be doing more travel videos. The trips will probably be shorter than 4.5 months, but I'm really looking forward to it. It's February now, the first week of February, and spring comes early to BC. So I'm hoping that once I have Luna, my van, all checked out, tune up, oil change, all that sort of thing, that in the springtime I'm planning on going to Vancouver Island. There are some friends over there that I'm really hoping to meet up with, and maybe if there's one in particular I meet up with, I might be able to do a tour of her self-built van for you. So this is just going to be a short video talking about the things that are upcoming for 2023 for me. One of the things I want to do, besides some traveling around, is doing a little bit of work inside the van. She is as she was when I bought her, except for a few little decor items. But there are some changes that I would like to make, including, I think I've decided I am going to do some painting in here. And if I do, I will do some time-lapse videos on that. Thinking about a creamy color for the cabinets, some new pulls on the cabinets and drawers, and perhaps tearing out the old rug and putting down some new flooring. Not sure what to do about the ceiling. The ceiling is sort of a textured teal blue fabric, so I'm going to have to think about that a bit and what I might be able to do with that. It's very cozy in here. It's fine the way it is, but I think I want it a little more bright, a little more light in here. So we'll see what I can do with that. I've always had a love of interior design, so hopefully we can zhuzh it up a bit. I talked about in previous videos is the changes that the journey were creating in me personally. One was an increase in confidence, and the other was that after having been on the road for 4.5 months, I realized that I'm going to come out of retirement. I just turned 71 in January, and I think it's too soon for me to retire. There's two reasons for that. One is that I want a little more income so that I can continue traveling, including hopefully some trips to Europe, and making changes on the van, just living a slightly more comfortable lifestyle. Pensions don't go that far. And the second reason is that I got my certification as a counselor and was working as a counselor and as certified Sacred Gifts Guide. That's not a religious thing, although for some people it may express that way, but it is something that would enhance any counseling that I begin to work with again. So I will be putting more information about coming out of retirement, about what I'm going to be offering. Well, I will post that shortly. And one of the exciting things about getting that started again is that this coming fall, probably the end of August or the beginning of September, the girlfriend whose orchard I stayed in Summerland, you can see that in one of my earlier videos, we've decided to do a women's weekend retreat. It'll be a really fun thing. There will be campfires and wiener roasts and perhaps wine tours, and I will be running a workshop on the Saturday morning. Tentatively, that's going to be called If Not Now, When? And it'll be a workshop about it's never too late to fulfill your dreams, as I found out last year. And oh my gosh, how they can change you if you follow through and finally fulfill those dreams you've always had or have maybe put aside or even forgotten about. Let's find a way to find those again. So I'm thinking that's going to be a really fun event, and I'm really looking forward to it and working with some clients again. So that's more or less what's in mind for the coming year. Some van DIY, some travels, and yeah, some chats about life. For those of you who are maybe interested, Charlie's not with me today. I'm just on my way to pick up a friend, but he's doing okay. He was really happy to be home. He's not the happiest camper, but he will be with me on my travels again this coming spring, summer, and fall, and I'll try and include him in more shots in the future. He's a bit camera shy. Anyway, that's it for me for now. I hope the new year has started off well for you, and I hope to catch up with you again soon. I'm going to try and start doing some more regular videos, so stay tuned. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. That makes a really big difference to a channel, and share with friends if you think anyone might be interested. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when the next video is coming out, and I'll say bye-bye for now.